This video will show you how to use Spec Stages in DesignSpec. Let's get started. Spec Stages allow you to monitor and track the status of a spec within your workflow. From your dashboard, navigate to the pink Spec Stages tab. Here you can set up your workflow stages starting from the top down. You'll notice the default stages we provide. You can drag and drop these stages into a different order, rename, or delete them. If you are creating a new stage, select a stage color, name, and status. Each stage is associated with a visibility status, which will affect how specs assigned to that stage are shown throughout the software. Please review the status descriptions at the top of this page. If a stage is assigned to a spec, you will not be able to delete this stage on this page. You can, however, archive and unarchive spec stages at any time. Once you've completed setting up your spec stages, navigate to a project's specs tab. You can easily identify project-level tabs as they are gray. Once a spec has been created, it will automatically assume the first stage. You can update the stage directly on the Specs tab or from the Details page. Navigating to the Reports tab. Each report offers a spec stage filter. Here, you can select which stages you'd like to filter and generate reports showing only those filtered specs. If you would like the selected spec stage to show on your reports, you can add it to a header/footer using our report designer or create a custom report. If you need further assistance, please contact our heroic support team from your DesignSpec account.